little shoulder check. Like I'm a racer. But I'm not. Alright, now a lonely stretch of highway. Oh, more peoples. Hello, more people. And the check engine light's back. Oh, and that is a skunk. And I was not doing a sexy pose there. I was just fixing my helmet. You want a sexy pose, it's gonna look something like that. I don't know. Big bump. Woo! No one up to my shirt. Still recording. Oh, and for all you Brooktop ladies out there, that was really weird. Oh yeah, we're gonna be okay. Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. Is that a car behind me? It is. No, I should probably slow down. Just in case it's 5-0. Breaking the law, breaking the law. I nailed that one too. Yeah, it's too slow. Still recording at 9:02. 1-0. I don't know. I'm sorry. I apologize that you guys have to endure this to be entertained. All this ridiculousness. Should create an opening for my YouTube videos. It's TISM time! Something like that. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. Look how goddamn flat this province is. It's ridiculous. It is ridiculous. I put my feet up on the passenger pegs, get comfortable, settle in for the cruise. Bird. This little guy's still going strong. He's been recording since we left the apartment. Woo! Up the shirt again. What is that? Why is there flashing lights? What's the deal, pickle, yo? Is it a tractor? She thinks my tractor's sexy while I'm chugging along. I know, I think I screwed that one up. I don't know. I do not know. Oh, did you guys miss my Gollum impression? Oh. Yeah, I just want you to know it's really hard being me with these first world luxury problems of not getting a GoPro to work. What up, homie? Woo! Yep, we got that. Just start doing random shit to poor motorists. What can we do? What can we do? Oh, God. Hi! Oh shit, that's a bunch of crap on the road. Tractors are decidedly not sexy when you leave debris on the highway. Shame, sir. Whoa! As somebody that has caught a bird in the face doing 120, I get a little chumpy. I don't know if you guys saw that. She thinks my tractor is sexy. It really turns her on. She's always staring at me while I'm chugging along. God, it's amateur hour around here. I don't know what to tell you guys. I'm so sorry. I honestly don't even know if you guys can hear all of this with this wind noise. This is kind of my... oh, shit. That might not help, actually. Still going strong. 9:06. Maybe it cuts out at 10 minutes? I don't know. I don't freaking know, man. Cute little church. Praise Jeebus. Alright, here's my turn, and then I gotta pay attention because I actually don't know my mile road. I think I do, but I'm not 100% sure. Alrighty, do a little skirt skirt. Maybe it'll work. It does. Engine lights off. Alright, so it doesn't like it when I'm over revving. Interesting. I wonder what that's about. If I go over 4,000 RPM on my acceleration, check engine light comes on. Oh, this is where that unplanned toplessness came from last time, which got almost 500,000 views, by the way. Y'all are perverts. Just saying. I love it.